Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to share a file between your physical computer with your VirtualBox machine. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to open your VirtualBox machine, and after that click on this machine option. So you have to click over there and click on settings over there, and under settings you will get one option is called shared folder. Now click on this plus button, and after that folder path here to select your folder location. So in my case I am going to share my only F drive. So as you can see, here's my F drive. So I just want to share this drive with my logical machine, with my VirtualBox machine. And after select, you can select here only read or write permission. So I will not give any permission right now. So after that click on OK. Once it is done, click on OK. Now what you have to do, you need to go to your virtual machine and go to my computer under your virtual machine, and after that you have to click on this network tab from your left side. Now click on VirtualBox, and here you will get your shared folder. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.